On your screens, we have the stock price of Mullen Automotive, and you guys can see today the stock is down 7%, trading at $1.06. The stock opened today at $1 even. Previous close was $1.14, and the day's range is from $1 all the way up to $1.11. 52-week range is from 52 cents all the way up to $15.89. The volume today is 37 million, and we have barely an hour to the close of market. Average volume 120 million, so we are way below the average volume for Mullen Automotive. Now if you look at the 5-day graph, you can see that the stock really dropped hard on from Friday to Monday. Yeah, it really dropped hard, but for the past 5 trading sessions the stock has been dropping steadily. Now if we come back to the daily, you can see that the stock really started low, and so far it climbed all the way up to $1.11 before dropping now to $1.07. So it's been fluctuating. But there is one thing about Mullen Automotive. Don't look at the fundamentals. People trade this stock apparently based on the momentum. So if you look at the fundamentals, and even like the research paper by Hindenburg, or if you even read the timeline for most of their activities, it wouldn't really be rational. But again, it's one of those meme stocks, I think. I don't know if I should call it a meme stock. They call it, the people who are passionate about it call it the mosquito, that you don't joke with the mosquito. It always bounces back when you least expect it. So the people who trade in Mullen Automotive, they're very passionate about it, and they seem to be making good returns. So be very careful if you want to dabble into Mullen Automotive. Anyways, if you look at the top of your screens, you will see that the S&P 500, the Dow 30, Nasdaq, Russell 2000, and crude oil, all of those are in the red, and then crude oil is also pushing a little bit towards the red. So it's at down 0.22%, trading at $120 a barrel. So today wasn't a good day at all on Wall Street. And the indices that you see above at the top of your screen, they did not drop by just a little. They dropped by a lot. So it's a very tough time to have your investment in the stock market. 401ks are literally being destroyed in real time. And people are seeing their retirement, vanish into thin air. Those who had planned on retiring this year, forget about that. It's not happening. Most retirement accounts are now like worth a fraction of what they were just a couple of weeks ago. So, this downward trend, nobody seems to know when we are going to hit the bottom. Now there's a lot more talk about recession, and we won't know until the end of July. But I think the jobs numbers are not looking very encouraging. More and more people are applying for job unemployment claims. So it's not a good look with the economy, underperforming, inflation running rampant, and more and more people applying for unemployment. It is not looking good as the midterms are rolling around in November. So we will see what remedial action is taken by the Feds and the Biden administration. But we know they have some good minds and brains working with them, so they should come up with something that's viable and will be satisfactory for all stakeholders. That's what I have for you guys. Today Mullen Automotive is down 6.14%, and again, before you dabble into this stock, do your due diligence, because when you least expect it, you might see Mullen running 20, 30, 40% in a single day. So just be careful if you have to invest in this stock. And you can look at the history of how the stock has moved relative to the PR from the management team over at Mullen Automotive. Thank you for your time. We are almost approaching 500 subscribers, which is halfway to the 1000 subscriber mark that we fixed for ourselves by the midterms in November. I want to thank everybody who has subscribed to the channel, new subscribers, long-time subscribers, because without you, we won't be able to continue putting out these videos. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye now.